I exercise the mind control of my thoughts every day. I admit my inner strength that protects me from anything that might disrupt my walk. I am the divine wisdom that illuminates my prosperous path. My mental barriers are only obstacles that I created in my past because of the fear of my own success. I leap, I create levers, I climb stairs, and I tear down the walls that hinder my mental release. I surpass my fears, and I'm victorious in everything I do. The light is my guide on my way to glory. I work consistently in my spiritual growth. Light and prosperity. Diego Mangabeira.